Hello friends, welcome back to HSA English classes. Today we are going to learn the play Macbeth. Previous year question from this play: who is Macbeth at the beginning of the play? Answer is Thane of Glamis. Macbeth, a tragedy in 5 acts written by William Shakespeare. It was first performed in 1606. The source of the play is Raphael Holinshed's Chronicles. The play indicates Shakespeare's great relationship with King James I. Now let us learn the characters of the play. Macbeth, a Scottish general, Thane of Glamis, Thane of Cawdor, and later the King of Scotland. Lady Macbeth is the wife of Macbeth. Three witches, three black and midnight hags. Banquo, Macbeth's friend. King Duncan, the good King of Scotland. Macduff, Scottish nobleman and Thane of Fife. Malcolm, the son of Duncan. Hecate, the goddess of witchcraft. Fleance, Banquo's son. Donalbain, Duncan's son and Malcolm's younger brother. Act 1 Prologue or Exposition. The play begins with the brief appearance of a trio of witches, then moves to military camp where the Scottish king Duncan hears the news that his generals Macbeth and Banquo have defeated armies from Ireland and Norway. King Duncan is so happy that he decides to give the title of Thane of Cawdor to Macbeth. Macbeth and Banquo are horrified at the sight of the witches. The witches call Macbeth Thane of Glamis and Thane of Cawdor. The witches predict Macbeth will become King of Scotland, and the witches also say that Banquo's children will become the future kings of Scotland. King Duncan declares Malcolm will be the future king of Scotland, and he says that he will visit the castle of Macbeth in the evening. Lady Macbeth made a plan to kill the king with the help of Macbeth. Act 2 Rising Action. Macbeth kills King Duncan. Lady Macbeth took the dagger and placed it beside the sleeping servants. Macbeth meets Macduff and he is suspicious of King Duncan's murder. Malcolm and Donalbain flee from Scotland to England and Ireland. Act 3 The Climax. Banquo is killed by Macbeth and his son Fleance escaped. When Macbeth goes to attend the feast, he sees Banquo's ghost sitting on chair. He decides to meet witches. Hecate told the witches to give Macbeth a false sense of security. Act 4 Falling Action. Macbeth meets the witches. The witches told Macbeth to be careful of Macduff. Witches predict that no one who is born of a woman can kill Macbeth and also predicted that he is safe until Birnam Woods moves to Dunsinane. Macduff joined Malcolm. Act 5 Denouncement or Resolution. Lady Macbeth suffers from sleepwalking. She is seeping into madness due to her guilt, and later she kills herself before the battle begins. Macbeth meets Macduff in the battlefield and he says that he was untimely ripped off his mother's womb. Macduff beheads Macbeth. Malcolm becomes the new king of Scotland. Later in history, Banquo's descendants become kings. In fact, King James I was believed to be the descendant of Banquo. Thank you.